Hello my dear friends and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a find functionality in Excel. Normally, we used to do find for only searching the text. But what if we want to find some conditional cells or having a data validation cell, or even if some cell contains a formula or it only contains a text value or a note one. So all this can be done easily in an Excel functionality for the find and selection. Let me show you the example what I mean to say. For this demo, I have just created a datasheet over here. And in this datasheet, we have 10 number of columns. Some of the columns containing the formula and some of the columns having the notes and all that. Okay. So to show this, we need to go in the home ribbon, find and select. And you can see all these 5 sections over here. One by one, we can go with this. First of all, let's see the formula. You cannot easily identify which cell contains the formula, but when you click on this, it will only highlight the cells containing the formula. So you can easily identify the column J has the formula, F has the formula, H for this one, and even this B9 is having the formula. Okay, when you click over there, you can see some formula is there, otherwise it is not. The another thing is note. So in your Excel datasheet, if you want to find out how many cells contain a note, it will automatically highlight the cells that contains the note. You can see these 3 cells having the note values. Okay. Next, conditional formatting. You cannot easily identify which cell having the formula or not. Okay. So when you click on this, it will automatically highlight the cells containing the conditional formatting. You can see this value. If I change to 55, it is going to show me an red because it contains a value formula that if the value is greater than 50, then highlight with the red. Okay. Next, contents. So this is only going to highlight which cell have the typed value. Okay, not the formula one. So 30 is the formula, so it is deselected. Column F, column J, and these are the cells that were being selected while we have run the formula search. Okay, and the last is data validation. So in these cells, whichever the cell having the data validation can be found, you can just click on the data validation and it will highlight the cell that contains the data validation. Okay, if I go here, you can see that some data validation is there. Okay, and that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for such kind of informative videos regarding the Excel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.